Welcome. My name's Mr. Kunda ECZ. Mr. Kunda ECZ. I'm still discussing systems of equations. Under systems of equations, I'm still under application of linear equations. Now, today I have a very interesting question, because this is an application question that we use in our day-to-day lives. We are saying if 5 apples and 9 bananas cost 9 kwacha 57 ingwe, and 9 apples plus 6 bananas cost 10 kwacha 8 ingwe, then how much will 6 apples and 7 bananas cost? How much will 6 apples and 7 bananas cost? So if we are solving this mathematical problem, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to form systems of equations. How do we form systems of equations? This is how I write my solution. So we can say let A represent apples and B represent bananas. If that is the case, we can say 5 apples and 9 bananas cost that. So we can say 5A plus 9B will cost 9.57. Okay? And we are considering this to be equation 1. Then we can also say 9 apples from the second statement. 9 apples plus, they even specified, plus 6 bananas should give us 10 kwacha 8 ingwe. And this is giving us equation 2. If that is the case, we can solve these systems of equations using elimination method. If we are using elimination method, the easiest is we can multiply these numbers by the coefficient of the variable that we want to eliminate. In this case, I want to eliminate B. So I'll multiply the second equation by 6, the first equation by 9. Why am I doing this? I want to eliminate this. So the coefficient, this 6, I'll put it there. The coefficient 9, it is there. Now, if we do our mathematics very well, what we are going to get in this case is this multiplied by that, it will give me 30A, plus this multiplied by that, it will give us 54B, and this multiplied by that, it is going to give us 57.24. If you do your mathematics, I know where the problem is this side. So we are saying 6 multiplied by 9.57, 6 multiplied by 9.57, it is giving us 54.2, and the second equation, it will give us 81A plus this by that, it will give us 54. That's why we said we are eliminating B, and if that is the case, what are we getting this side? We are going to get 97.2. How am I getting the 97.2? Let's do our mathematics. We are saying 9 multiplied by 10.80. It is going to give us 97.2. 97.2. So if we do our mathematics here, we are going to eliminate this by introducing a minus sign, and you cancel there. If that is the case, what are we getting? We are getting the value of A to be 30 minus 81. It will give me negative 51A, which will be equal to, if I 57.42 minus 97.2, it is going to give me negative 39 negative 39.78. If I do my mathematics very well here, I'm going to get this. So if that is the case, what do? I'll divide by negative 5,1. I'll also divide here by negative 5,1. If that is the case, you can say A is equal to, this will cancel with that, then this into that, it is going to give us something like, let's check, we can say you can say negative 39.78 divided by 51. It is going to give us, so it's supposed to be positive. I forgot to divide by negative 51. So the answer is going to give us 0.78. 0.78, which we can say, if it is in kwacha, it is 78 ngwe. So the cost of a banana, the cost of an apple is 78 ngwe. What is the cost of one banana? So for B, we are finding the cost of a banana. So if that is the case, we can say, we can get the equation 5A plus 9B is equal to 9.57. 9.57, if we do our mathematics here, A is 0.78, then we say 9B is equal to 9.57. So our mathematics is telling us, if we do our mathematics here, I'm finding 3.9. 3.9, we are adding, this is 9B, which is equal to 9.57. We are correcting the right terms. 9B on the other side will be equal to 9.57 minus 3.9. 9B will be equal to, if we do our mathematics, we are going to have 5.67 divided by 9 divided by 9. Why are we dividing by 9? Because we want to find the value of B. So the value of B, or the cost of a banana, is 0.6 kwacha, which means 63 ngwe. Now, are we done answering the question? No, because the question is saying, how much will 6 apples and 7 bananas cost? So if that is the case, we are supposed to do this mathematics here. We say, if that is the case, we can say, how much will 6 apples and 7 bananas cost? This one we don't know, but we know the value of one apple. One apple is costing 78 ngwe, and one banana is costing 63 ngwe, which is 0.63. If we do our mathematics here, it is going to give us 4.68. And on the other side, if we do our mathematics, it is going to give us 4.41. The sum of these two numbers, it is going to give us 9 kwacha 9 ngwe. So if you are buying 6 apples and 7 bananas, you are going to spend 9 kwacha 9 ngwe. Thank you very much for following. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on different mathematical topics. Thank you. ZEC Academy.